Hey guys, how's it going? So we're back again with this thing. I think we're on part 4 now, I believe. But I just wanted to show you something before we get started with anything. I'm not too sure if this motor's been taken apart already, or this is something they do on these engines right from the factory, but you guys let me know in the comments. But all the mains are marked. There's one right there, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and number 5 is right there. So that's kind of handy for disassemble. Like I said, I don't know if somebody's already been into this motor. This is the first time me taking one of these apart, so I don't know if they do that from the factory or not, but that looks like it was stamped in there. Yeah, so I don't know. But yeah, it's definitely a lot more handier now that it's... because I was trashy before I actually even noticed that. I was going to see if I can mark these myself so I don't get them mixed up. Obviously the back one you won't mix up, but I mean these ones here, that's already done, so that's a bonus. So I think now we just pulling the oil pump off there, and then once that's off, and then we might do the time, or obviously the timing chain there, and then probably the mains. That'll be next. Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. Hey guys, how's it going? So we're just going to take the oil pump off now. So it should be just these 4 bolts here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then after that comes off, I think I'm going to take the timing chain off, and then eventually to get the mains, or the pistons and the mains. Alright. I already got them loosened, so it should be pretty easy here. Just got a tray for all my bolts there, so I'm not sure if I'll end up reusing any of these or not, maybe. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, so we'll see about this timing chain here, see what happens. Ahead of myself here. Okay. Alright, there's the timing chain. Okay, yeah, so we just gotta do this plate here next, and then probably take the cam out, because all the lifters are out anyway, so we'll see if we can pull that out. Alright, just stay tuned here for a second, guys. Alright, taking the cam plate off now. Just gonna loosen them first and then go. Alrighty. Let me know what you guys think of this whole series so far. It's kind of crazy, I know, but oh well, something to do here anyway. Okay, so we got all those off. We'll just probably have to pry that off a bit here. Alright guys, we're gonna pull that cam plate off. Just gonna see if I can pry it back here just a little bit, maybe, I don't know. That's the best way of doing this, maybe. There she will, yep, just like that. So most of the time these always have to be replaced because this gasket always it's pretty old, so. It's almost a given with any rebuild on these from what I've been reading. Anyways. So I'll throw those bolts back in here and we'll see if we can get that camshaft out. It's still spinning, so it's a stock camshaft, obviously. I think they're around 471 lift or something like that, I believe. I was looking up the specs of these online there, just to see what the cam specs were and all the other specs. But I'm going to be putting something a little bit bigger in it than that eventually down the road, so not too sure what I'm going to go with there. Lots of research to do. Here we go. Okay, it should come out. Actually surprised it's coming out so easy so far. Knock on wood, watch, it'll get stuck now. Trying to be careful as I can. Well, it's not like I'm going to reuse it again anyway, but oh yeah, it's pretty rusty near the back there. There we go. Camshaft is out. Yeah, the back's a little, I don't know, it might not be too bad. Clean her up a bit.